Alright guys, so we're finally making my mom's famous turkey chorizo recipe. I'm not showing her because she says she doesn't want to look how she does now, but whatever.
Ahí estoy. No.
I'm kidding.
No. Me pongo la ceja, me pongo blush.
I'm useless because I don't know how to make it and she wants to go get ready for the video. So you're gonna need a few things. First thing, sometimes I have trouble finding these, but I usually get them at Winn-Dixie, Publix, or what is it called? Walmart. But you can probably order them on Amazon also because they're dried up. So they're called chile guajillo, and it's pretty much dried chili. Like this is what it looks like. Sometimes they come in like smaller bags, but as long as it's this, I'll leave everything in the description box. Okay, so when she makes this sauce, she makes like a lot of it, and that way you can just save it in the fridge or even freeze it. And then you just add it to your turkey, or if you want to do beef or chicken. I personally like doing turkey. I think it tastes the best. And then you're only going to need the chilies. Then you're going to use garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, ground clove, and ground cumin. Okay, so what you want to do is take the chili, and they're dried up, so you can kind of like break them open. And then you take out the little chili peppers, like the little seeds that it has inside. So it'll look like this. See? So if you're not good with spicy food, take all the seeds out. But if you like spicy food, you can leave some of them in there. You can take like some out, but you can leave some in there for a little bit of spiciness. Okay, so she just boiled around 6 cups of water. So that's pretty much how much chili you would need for the sauce. And we don't have a big pot, so we're making it in this. And then you just cover it up on medium heat. Okay, so you have to keep adding water if the water starts to run out. And then you're just gonna cook them, or pretty much steam them, until they're like really nice and soft. So if you see that it runs out of water, just add a little bit more, and keep checking them. Okay, so now while the chili is cooking, we're gonna add the 3 pounds of turkey. Obviously you don't have to cook 3 pounds, but we kind of share this throughout the week, so we'd rather just cook more. And we're gonna be adding the seasoning. So we don't really measure anything. It's kind of just like a matter of taste. 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of clove, and then 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And then obviously you can change this to your taste preferences, but this is pretty much what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this up. Chilies are gonna be on the stove for like another 15 minutes. And then once they're nice and soft, we're gonna put them in the blender and blend them up with the apple cider vinegar. Okay, so keep adding water so that when they're covered, all of the chilies are under water. So they're pretty much, so you don't want them to be dark like this and hard. You want them to be soft and red like this one. So as you guys can see, there's no more water. They're all super soft, but they're not burnt. So you want to make sure that all the water evaporates so that they get soft but not burnt. So if you have to keep moving them around, you should. But now they're all pretty nice and flimsy. She's just gonna put them in the blender. And now we're gonna add some apple cider vinegar. Chili is in. And now she's gonna put a cup of apple cider vinegar. He's so too good. Okay, so the sauce, we added a 1.5 cups of apple cider vinegar, and it should be a thick consistency like that. A pretty thick sauce. Okay, so you don't want to just throw the turkey on there and not touch it, because it's just going to turn into like a soup kind of thing. You want to make sure that you're moving it around and kind of like chopping it up into little pieces. Okay, so turkey's done. I love having this with lime, cilantro, and onions, and avocado, and it's honestly the best. But it's so good. We literally just ate half of it before we finished cooking it. So, chef. I know this video was long awaited, but she's a celebrity chef, and I couldn't get her to film with me. If you try the recipe out, make sure to let me know in the comments below if you liked it. I'm pretty sure the chile guajillo, it's just like red dried chili peppers. But I'll leave them, like if I find them anywhere online, I'll link them below. So if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you try it out, let me know in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching.